Good morning students, welcome back to the class 11 subject accounts, and we are going with the chapter trial balance. As we have studied in last video about the introduction, features and types of accounts, and then I have given you a statement type format and I have told you to write in the book. In today's video we are going to solve one question today. So I have a question on my back and smart class is going on with that. I have given all the question aspect, how this question can come and how you can identify and how you can write the answer for trial balance. In next video also I am going with one more question to understand more better. So in today's video we will start by studying that question and then I'll solve it in the same tab, and then later on I'll make sure that the total should come in appropriate way. In trial balance it has been said that the balance are coming from ledgers. Okay, so this balance which are being occurred over here, it is from the ledger. The amount has already been mentioned over here, so you need to just identify which is debit, which is credit. So let's begin with the question. I'll read the question for you. So make sure that everything should be understandable. Now, starting with the following balance sheet are extended from the book of Sri Amit. Sri Amit. Actually, it is not been displayed because of flash. So I am reading that it is considered as Sri Amit. Hope so. It would be understandable. Sri Amit on 31st March 2018. From the following balance, prepare the trial balance of Sri Amit. So we have to prepare an trial balance for Sri Amit. So let's begin with the identification also along with the question. One by one I will read the question and identify one by one. So let's begin with this concept. Now, as I am going with the note, so what you can do, you can take a snapshot in your mobile and then you can write all these as a question, and whatever I am identifying over here, you can do the same in your book, and then I will go with the solution also. So let's begin with the name of the account, amount, name of the account and amount. This is much has been given in trial balance concept. So you have to identify whether it is credit side or debit side. Make sure that the amount with that particular account should be there. Now, it is owner's capital. Owner's capital is always coming on credit side. If you see the table or specimen which I have given you in last video, it is said that owner's fund or owner's capital is on credit side. I am writing CR, so I can identify easily that it is credit. Now, bank balance. Bank balance is not a credit but it is debit, because bank balance is always comes under the title debit. Next title is travel expenses. Expenses is also an debit. Debtors, rent, these two types are also coming under the title of debit. So I am writing debit and debit. Now, next title is purchase return account. As you know that purchase is the part of debit, but purchase return is the part of credit. So I am writing here credit. Purchase debit. The titles which are been mentioned in the question, it has to be right accordingly. You need to identify the account. That's it. And then we have to transfer according debit, credit, debit, credit. Now, next part is provident fund. Provident fund is ultimately a credit part. But contribution, if the word comes contribution, then it is debit. Machinery, debit. Creditors, credit. Sundry expenses. Sundry expenses is also a debit. Discount received. If you receive, then it is credit. And if you give, then it is debit. Now, bills payable. Bills payable is also a credit part. I have not mentioned everywhere a dot. You should be doing this dots because dots are compulsory to be done for understanding that credit, debit, credit, debit. Now, commission received. What about commission received? Commission received is ultimately a debit part. Not debit part actually. Not debit part, but it's credit. Commission received is also a credit. But loans from loans are being taken from friends. So it is also being considered as credit. We have to pay in the end to the friend. That's why it is on credit side. Make sure that all the incomes or all the gains are going in the title of credit, but the losses, the expenses, all goes on the title of debit side. So I have done this way in our first column. You can see that, you can write in your notebook, just copy this content. I'll carry forward with the next time. Now next term is ultimately saying that drawings is an withdrawal. Withdrawal always comes on debit side. Cash balance, debit side. Salary, debit side. Interest received, credit side. The term must be clear. As you know that sales return account has been set. As you know that purchase return account is credited, then sales will be debited. Sales will be credited. I already told you provident fund comes under credit, but provident fund contribution comes under debit. Loans borrowing is nothing but an credit concept. Stock of goods is debit. Advertisement expenses, debit. Furniture, debit. I already told you discount received means credit, but discount allowed is debit. Bills receivable is ultimately a debit. Bad debts means the amount which is not been received by us. It is considered under the title of debits. But expenses outstanding, the amount we have to receive, is under the title of credit side. Just have a look in your screen and make sure that the credit debit should be in a proper way, so that if I am going with the solution, I will rub this all the contain and write one by one. So one question, one point. I will mention according to the debit, credit. So you should see this screen very carefully. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to rub this all debit credit and I'll write accordingly. So sometimes the question will go up and down. Do not worry, the final answer which will be on debit and credit and total will be displayed on the screen as you require. Don't worry about that. So I am going to rub this debit and credit concept and then start again. Okay. The question is like this. Then what you have to do, you have to prepare this balance. This is a solution concept. So I will reduce the screen so you can understand very well. Okay. It is not visible, I know that, but I'll make sure that you should understand all the things in this. So I have made the solution. In the end, it is been total. So the screen is not matchable. So in the end, I'll make it as a total amount over here. So you should make an debit balance rupees, credit balance rupees. And one more thing, it has to be mentioned on the top. Trial balance as on. Trial balance of Sri Amit as on 31st March 2018. This much content has to be written on the top. So I'll start, but make sure that the screen will go up and down because I need the question for you to explain in detail. So do not worry. But in the end, the question will be making a solution along with that. So you should not worry about this. I have mentioned all the things which are to be entered away. Okay. So let's begin with the solution. Here should write trial balance of Sri Amit as on 31st March 2018. But it is, if it is not disable, not able to see what I am speaking, it is enough for you to write it. I have said trial balance of Sri Amit as on 31st March 2018. So now I am going to write all the debit side contained one by one and credit side one by one. So first thing you should know, owner's fund is coming under the title of credit side. As I have already written in my separate book, so I can write all the debits and credit one by one, but you have to make the classification as I have done earlier in this video. So I am writing all the debit and credit one by one as I have listed in my hand. So I will write on the debit side bank owner's fund, purchase return, provident fund, creditors, discount receipt, bills payable, commission received, loans from friend, interest received, hope so it is visible for you, sales, loans, borrowed, expenses, outstanding. As I have not written the amount, so once I complete this table, then I will take the amount from the question itself. So do not panic accordingly. Once the solution has been completed, then you can tally out. Now I have already mentioned all the credit on the credit side from where we have classified in the earlier part. The classification has been written according to that one by one in the chronological order, or we can say that in a particular line. Now here I am going to write the same thing till the total comes. So let me write all the things. Then I will make a total from the beginning. Traveling expenses, debtors, rent, then purchase, then machine, stationery, expenses actually, then drawings, then cash, salary, sales return, contribution to provident fund. Sorry, I have written short form, but it is compulsory to write full form. Provident fund. Stock of goods. Stock of goods. Advertisement expenses. Advertisement expenses. Furniture. Discount allowed. Bills receivable. Bad debts. Okay, the space problem may be there. Do not worry, whatever I have done, it is been coming under this title. So now we have to write the amount of that particular transaction. So what I'll do, I'll go further, I'll write according to my note, and then I'll write on the board for you. I am writing accordingly. Do not worry, do not panic again. So I am writing over here 4800. Then bank balance is been given. Bank balance is ultimately 14,000. Then travelers expenses has been given, which is 480. Then debtors are been given, which is 14040. Do not worry because I am overwriting, but once this writing has been completed, I will write that particular term and make sure that the amount gets tallied. So give a second, and I am writing this all this. Rent has been given 600. Purchase of 28,000. Purchase of 28,000. Purchase return has been given 1,400. Purchase return has been done. Provident fund. Provident fund is also a part of credit. The provident fund is 1,000. Then machinery. Machinery is part of debit side. I am writing 7,200 over here. Then creditors are been given. Creditors are 8640. Then sundry expenses, stationery expenses has been given 400. Then discount received. Discount received comes under the title of credit. Discount received is given 280. Then bills payable has been given 3,000. Then commission received is given, which is 4,000, and then loan from friends is 6,000. This much has been done from this side, but this side has been remaining, so I am writing that thing. Drawings have been given of 2,000. I am writing 2,000. Then drawings has been completed, but cash balance is given. The cash balance is 4,800. Salary has been given as 800. Then interest received comes under this title. Interest received is 200. Then sales return has been given. Sales return comes as 2200. Then sales are been given. Sales are of 36,800. Then provident fund contribution. Contribution to provident fund has been given 320. Loans borrowed. Loans borrowed comes under the title of credit side, which is given as 9200. Then stock has been given. Stock is of 34,000. Advertisement expenses is of 480. Then furniture of given as 9800. Then discount allowed is given 400. Then 6,000. Then 1,000, and in the end expenses as 8,000. So this much has been written from the question, but actually it has to be written this way. So all the writings are being completed. You can take a snapshot for this and make sure that the content what I am writing over here, it is to be matched. So now what about total? So total can be done by you also, but in the end I have already calculated all the total. So the total will be of this is 126,520. 1,26,520. This much is your total for the whole side. 126,520. Have a look into it, take a snapshot and write it in your book correctly. As I have taken the numbers up and down because there was a mistake that I have not given that much space to write. If I have reduced the font, then you would not able to see. So that's why I had to adjust up and down. So make sure that the amount should be accordingly. It should not be mismatched or it should not be up and down. The balance total will be 126,520. So this much is under the first question. Now in next lecture we will do one more question around this kind of thing, but I'll make sure that the question would be available on screen and I'll try my best to write on another side, but sometimes it is not possible. So this is, I hope that this is the understandable concept and you have to write accordingly in your notebooks. That's it for today. Thank you.